Good morning students, how are you? Hope you are doing well. In our previous video, we have done a chapter that is Tom Sawyer's Gang. Today we will start a new poem that is Whistle Away. In this poem, a poet is conveying his message through a boy that we should whistle a tune or we should sing a song so that we feel good in our difficult situation, and we should always be happy whatever the situation is, and we should face our problem with full dedication, patience and calmness. So now let's start our poem. First I will read the whole poem, then I will explain you. Whistle away, my merry boy, with happy face and heart of joy. If it will help you to be strong, whistle a tune when things go wrong, and whistling lightens it for you. If your task is hard to do, whether it be sowing the seeds, hoeing the corn or pulling weeds, gathering fruits or racking hay, or driving cows, whistle away. Whistle a tune if you cannot sing, and that should seem the next best thing that you can do. Perhaps 'twill cheer the hearts of some who chance to hear. Better to whistle than to pout, and scold and fret no one can doubt. So keep a merry heart, my lad, and thus make other people glad. Do all the goods you can each day, and as you toil, whistle away. Now I will explain you.
Whistle away. Whistle means to make a loud sound. Dear students, when we whistle when we are in happy mood. And why we whistle? We whistle to be happy and for others, to make them happy and joyful, and to make their situation very pleasant. Now see the first line of the poem. Whistle away, my merry boy. Here merry means happy boy. Whistle away, my merry boy, with happy face and heart of joy. Here the poet conveys his message through a boy that he has a very good connection with the boy. That is why he says, my merry boy. He said that this boy is very joy with his heart. Poet also says that if a boy is happy with his heart, then definitely his face also reflects his happiness. If it will help you to be strong, whistle a tune when things go wrong. Every time all the things will not go very smoothly, that we all know. Sometimes we all face some difficulties, and that moment we should not lose our temper and patience. Hence, the poet says us to whistle. It will provide us energy and help us to face the difficulty with patience and calmness. Whistles makes the situation better, and whistling lightens it for you. If your task is hard to do, we know that we get different works to do, but when we do some work we face different problems, but we have to overcome the problem with our knowledge, intelligence, and at that moment we should not just leave the problem, we should solve the problem with calmly and patience. Whatever it be, sowing the seeds, hoeing the corn or pulling weeds, gathering fruits or racking hay, or driving cows whistle away. Here in these lines, like sowing the seeds, hoeing the corn, pulling weeds, gathering fruits, and driving cows, shows that this poem is from a rural area and this boy is engaged in agriculture activities. So we all know that sowing the seeds, a farmer breaks the soil and levels the soil and then he sows the seeds. Here a boy is facing some difficulties in doing his work. So a poet is saying to whistle so that he gets the energy and power to do his hard work with full energy and dedication and also with patience and calm. Whistle a tune if you cannot sing, and that should seem the next best thing. Here, a poet is saying that we all are not expert in singing a song. So, if we don't know to sing, we can also whistle a tune, and it is also the best thing to do. That you can do perhaps twill cheer the hearts of some who chance to hear. Here the poet tells us that by whistling a tune we can lighten our mood and will not only make our mood happy but it will also help others to become happy and cheerful by listening the whistle tune. Better to listen than to pout and scold and fret, no one can doubt. Here the meaning of pout is push out one's lower lip because one is annoyed or unhappy, and the meaning of fret means worry about something. Here the poet is saying that pout, scold and fret are all negative things to do. Instead of that, we should whistle. So keep a merry heart, my lad, and thus make others people glad. Here, my lad means young boy. By using this, my lad, we can say that poet loves this boy very much. That is why he says, my lad. Poet is requesting that keep a cheerful heart and good heart. By that others will also feel good and we should help others in doing their works and should also give our things and help others in every way we can do it. Do all the goods you can each day, and as you toil, whistle away. So, whatever you want to do, but if you whistle, then your work will become more easy and it will give you strength, positivity, and happiness. So, the poet ended the poem by giving a very good message that we should do our duties with happiness and should always be gentle and helpful to others. Hope you understood the poem. Now, the difficult words with their meaning. Write difficult words in your copies with their meaning. This is your homework question which I have given you in my previous video. The question was, then he said that who is the speaker? Jim is the speaker. Why does he ask the question? He asked the question because he heard something outside the window. Does he get any response? No, he did not get any response. My new dash dash got dog tired. Whose clothes were dirty? Her clothes were dirty. How did his clothes get so dirty? His clothes get so dirty because he fell on a root while sneaking and crawling slowly on his hands and knees. Why was he so tired? He was so tired because he walked 2 miles to the cave. Now this is your homework for today. Try to find the answers of these questions.